abusafo menim se won dai frɛ obi na obi so mfrɛ obi na Ghana we have to act me se da bia be ka on omai Ghana ye wo mu sector bia e de aye kasa na se nyina de ye kasa na ye ntua na mo a ehe e ne be kwa ko wie share video no na ka che obi ase na namba ke fa ma ba bia Ghana police allegation a kwaku anan e de aba. This is a very concrete allegation. I was a Ghana for you may need the active fast because I will not say in every rumor there's an element of truth. I will not say in every rumor there's an element of truth. In every rumor there's an element of truth. And you know this is just an element of truth being the PK film. Sa allegation na kwaku anan e ma no onim de o ka fi say ye mu bi ye nim de ekoso wo Ghana ha. The rate at which yatenase ama bribe ewo police for nsem aye normal no e very dangerous. Nyankopon ya adom ochina me drop video bi a Ghana police officers. Na sa police officer na wo di sa adwuma no omo harass boy bi innocent guy. Na I say Ghana no so obi a criminal emra no e support to criminal no. Na wo ye innocent emra no ene wadi. Eno ene wose ye ma ye ni bere na ye sia no na ye bo ho ban o kina me drop video no that police should be ready me the tag number dina be out emra kro e chimi say ense say me the tag number ba out no emra kro pa e me chimi o kina I will bring out photos and everything nyakopon ya adom o kina me drop video no first e wo me YouTube channel ho enti won ko ho a bo modena na ko sisi a o me nta TV ko subscribe to me to YouTube channel no afei Ghana from what is saying so constable of police sergeant corporal ehwan kopem the inspector general monfrɛ no mra mo se na namba ke fa matena se bia me ba be yiyia ma no no mo ameti o maso masem e bia na kwaku na audio no mo ntie me be bone kese no mate. This is a very serious allegation. Oh my Ghana, the rate at which se obi e wosika won nsem no ye wudini kura police force so ne so no a very serious thing and say so no. Good evening Mr. Boahi wo ba so no a share video no pia so wo ba so a share video ma me hu se wo ba na share video no na amanfo mra efi say ye be bie nsem so me se me drop video bi nyambo wo kina guy no photos no wantimi anya den anya police ni animiye but onya ne tag number Nyankopon ya adoma ochina I will drop and I will make sure say me sending number na call authorities no your proposal of letter bi no ma sa police officers no mudi se adwuma no omo be kire omo ye be send to hu na mo ne de sa police ni dia betudwa se mra makwan ko ade a ye de di be ba betudwa de akoso o man Ghana no mu e de se ye ntimi na akronfo hayen me se wo pie kura na wusuro wo twam ba bia na wusuro wo pie na wusuro wo twam ba bia na wusuro akronfo hayen fi se police fo na mu eye ebinuma se me bere biasa omu de omu ho abo akronfo ono amu mewiawo na mo bi mewiawo a o ma mejew bisa wo se wo kurom security te say me de me kurom security nyo me ma me na me papa na efi se looting kwa na ekoso looting kwa. Hello, me patron mo bibia kwaba. Mu nyina mahumu mo kwaba. Yeah, thank you very much. If I was said to and good evening brother. Me hu ade. Pa hello brother. Ako me mo bibia kwaba. Nyame share me say mo share video no say ye na efise enne wo to punum sabi akwakogu nsuo mpa na wusuro. Police patrol car efa kurom no ono mfa kurom tama nipa wo kurom ebo nan se ewrom no mo ne na baabi police patrol car efa kurom baabi ya nipa gutwom no mo sheda de car betwam hwehwe ni mo mamu se police patrol car eba nemom the secret places ni konna ewo se Ghana police team di wonom ka ewura na wokoye adwuma me ehu se wonom eye adwuma no Dabi wonom nko Ube se Ghana police akwa gina baabi te se bia kwan so maye very well da je se yakum nipa mpempemanim ede na ekoso wo man Ghana yimu say so the laziness, indiscipline, and about Ghana police and Jumanum. Say Ghana police, constable craft friend who senior men, and on my peer community police if one on one or more year, say Ghana police recruitment, no more Jaya, and Mumisa Ghana police, mammy. Majai recruitment na Ghana police maybe some possible recruitment no majai and I say community police in one year man Ghana police patrol some more patrol boy see at the camera telephone and the tweet your muscle ear please say we aso one who didn't come up or was such a job bribe no now one a month for a didn't come over phones Ghana police at the end of it all no can who is a one water crying so a woman said would be a bromo ye next when no mashas yet done in Bamoson, Etimunshas and Amunye serious. Namunya Moduma say police officials, Munya Moduma say professionals, Munya Moduma say or man yet the taxpayers' money and the Chiamoka Ghana police Siramada. We are in fact dying. Nobody in even his or her local community will say he's happy about what is going on in the country. Ghana say obiani nije if it's a Ghana police edumano modi ayesika jenko otom obianka yamaka modi ayesika jenko no moja eduma nankasa e wasem ye no de akoso wo my Ghana numu no very dangerous Ghana police mummra metie asema owura Canadian Japan
criminals and you allow them to build a police post. Police service in the country they said, "We will need
Canadian Japan, ni netu kwakuwa na ekai na say what o man yimu na setemamuni am robbers and na asase police post edit man. Hey Ghana, we are not safe. This is very serious allegation. Ensa say yedidi agrabusu afọ ma hu for frefrem WhatsApp. Me bo aduma ma yensom ye man no na yentu na mo na yen shase this time me say mom yen shase report to police officers. Monshas and reported police officers. Ebinuma or Monte Sabi, Subambone, Kronu Jumani, Adembone, every police and Jumagu police and Jumani Massino. Moma yen shasi, I'm sure I'm dropping one. I will drop one. Oh my Ghana, ye say for Muntie, Asema Kwakuana, Etia Walker. And Asema Walker.
But they are here. Ghana Police Service, you know them. I am going to mention their names.
Musho, baby, oh my God,
and I'm going to tell you how police officers, including some IGPCB, might treat some Profuinia with K-Gloves. And even here, because some top police officers are on their payroll. Yes. And you'll be like you. I could go on and make us IGP. If you want to back from them, come and the 2TV the seat will assist you. But I cannot trust most of your men. These guys, some Nanti, they pay a lot of police top officers in Ghana police every month. Yes, IGP, I'm telling you this. I am. Me say, some notorious criminals.
I am. Ghana buying etua police casing. And I'm robber etua police casing. Ghana I am me say, Munyan na Akufo-Addo na wada. Munyane President Akufo-Addo na wada. Ghana for a year can the state of the country emergency my one a year can as another day politics no. This is not political time. It is serious. O man no baby anye, baby insecure. But I'm Kromo Kranza behe. Kranza curfew down Kranza so. Kranza for that is Koko. No shop will be operating at exactly 9:30. Aden ekoso my Ghana yimu Munyane Nana Akufo-Addo na wada President Nana Akufo-Addo. Munyane no na wada Nana Adu Premai. Owura ba omia Vice President munyane no na wada Vice President ni obi anim so ekremoni. Said you see addressing on the earth. We a gentleman. Nemo mu gentility no mo ya tena moto so ache. You should act as a president of man ya to abama mo. Me say mo system no bebre aye weak. More revival no. Now you have more years ahead of you. More revival no. Enye me koso a enye. More revival no. Me say munyane Nana Akufo-Addo na wada na sorry oh sorry. Woda ya che na no. Sorry. We cannot live in our country. Na yen tenase problem a enko baby ebetimi asolve no na ye betena se ma oman Ghana asset se Nigeria ana bibisa wo ye betena se ma oman Ghana dane Nigeria fo ase omukro e no madani omani edi abakai ha Nigeria fo ase omukro Nigeria fo atete omukro pansam no Nigeria fo de ewudie ni bone ase omukro e no omode omani ahwe oman Ghana mu e na Ghana police monso mo bo Nigeria fo Ghana di dwene Ghana ho. This is the time e wo say ye ma ye ni bere na ye ate me say me page no so no telephone number da ho 0200 582665 e die na ekoso wo ukrom wo video evidence bia send bra na naba kefa I will work on it if only it is tangible and durable say ye je ho adwuma e ye yi a not necessarily say dey go bi anima say me mpesa mani nye sa ho because we have so many professionals meaning inspector be a friend chief inspector crime we inspector crime so police for nipa mi nya asem a otimi age asem no na wasiesie wo breko enko court sa papa no ko pension me na me koye ni MC ni sika wantimi edi because na wo ye ni papa police for your papa wom nenso bone na doso bribe gie no so da mo ti obi age bi wo se mo na mudi atin nenso mo de bone no eya ye too much mon country IGP say order na on sorry and this is the very serious allegations that Ghana for fix the country no yenya yo na yenya no fix judiciary when you see because justice is for sale me say asem no ba ye do be ko prosecutor or police ni no won do be ko court de obekfa akiri akwa hu mpanimfo bi no eno na eye adwuma justice is for sale. If justice is for sale, then where is the country going? Ehe na oman no eko Nigeria fo ase omukro e no mo ba be say ye dia mayen ye betoa eyi no so video no so ye be breaking some no down and na de Ghana police criminals and robbers and AC post e de ma Ghana police yes enuntia na nka mane be na yahu me say ade achi ya stores baako stores be 11 o mabuni nyina saso kuro ya yetemu yi obi anhwe obi aso bosomeso a taxpayers money ena mo kokoye na bone ekoso no we are going to expose them and then make kwakua na video ru asem or drop bombs bebre wom yetie kakra meso kakra binim no meyi mebu ni tot e dia mamusa na emo mo kina I go drop the video ko YouTube na search Omene Inter TV mumi ente kwakua na
police in Beninfo bi what Benin mu they pay them every month. If you didn't receive 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Hey!
I am telling you this. And if you are, some notorious armed robbers produce a calendar. Calendar don't every president to be a waba, right from Rawlings to when. No, we did a picture as a calendar. So far, the only person who didn't find the picture and your calendar is the current president, His Excellency Akufo-Addo. Yes, and the reasons I'll tell you one day. Now, Shadia, it is a question. Former IGP Ora David Apietu's administration. Some you know them. Ora Apietu, former IGP, may say, you know some notorious armed robbers here, you know them.
All right.
What did you do? And these armed robbers still hang in the confines of our republic. Now, police of Ghana police, say every weekend, of course, some places in Kwabenya, some Nigerians see Ebuhonum and a from 12 a.m. And who said, they are doing a competition in their Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz are coming netto and yet easy no. Boy, see to me, competition. Now, competition in Mercedes-Benz is not just competition. Displaying of their guns, open guns, fire range. Every Saturday. No, Ghana police, Musamonte, Munya intelligence on this. Why have you left them?
Ghana police officer na obekọ no. What came? Ni etifie na ka kire ne se hwe and I walk on one kwachi Messi Ghana police will invite you. There are so many police officers say be a good but I'm telling you who your police officer now you know very well say you guys are too corrupt. The entire momo corruption you can once say more obi anka mo enforce laws no. So what I say enti mo na mo ya de a etimi shinipa na mo so mo de no mo de kum nipa. If he says okwaje bribe na e bia obi de asema to so na me ni bone na me amani to ase me ni bone na bone ya me ni ye no obi mom obi a wadi bone eba be den eba betua bribe na Ghana police wo je ne ho sika na me ami di bone no wo de me kotuma bisa wo se me previous and on risk my life ana wo ha me ne mabusua me di bone na wo de me kotuma me say Ghana we should cancel the fix the country fix the judiciary and no na wo say yakon na constitution baby o wa e wo say bogu the winner takes all IGP president be appointed no when the be appointed no ho president ni nyina wo say bogu oh say pressure abayi ye tuwi anya no one say MC kura nanado entimi nyi omo ni nyina no because bribe ho do a e koso our judiciary no system ni ye weak say judicial system ni ye weaker automatically eka security no eno na aka ye security ama ne criminals and they see police post edima Ghana police criminals and they see ma salary bimpo entimi ntua sika no Ghana ehe na yeko ne ni nyina atwa ko wie sei kwa be ne fa so for police for mumisa kwa be ne fa so for police for NDC ba obefa ne de NPP ba obefa ne de se adu na ado so ewom se opposition party no ebinum so wodi pa omde omo bewuram na eso dodo na ado nkrofo ene benya Ghana police eye omo be enru omo e wo police list no dodo na eye na ado fise na ado aban ene tiso saade wei ene wo se Ghana ye sori na ye fighting me say mo kan kire president na adodan ko akofo ado say nitia ye hie ena wode covid akata demonstration upon demonstrations so next wode akata so a demonstrations say ye kasa live on the same Facebook there on timi mfa covid protocol e ma meto so na nado wada na sori baomia adupremai moda na mun sori Ghana ye ni asomdwie Ghana sese yet timing bomb so Ghana uwo sika no wasem ye Ghana galamse etuo na moye no manfa measures no tuo na gu galamse side nyina wo fie Ghana sese mun kan kire se obi an run for the life obi an totuo mo ne ho ban ana sana eko sese de Ghana yet timing bomb so aden this is the time we see a voice near the president ehunu say de ekono enye eho what they say IGP nano asemusi wahumpo IGP bediye wahumpo IGP ebedi Ghana for say it is only in heaven and what they say crime is here USA crime so maybe a crime so nti omo kekasa no nim de omo ka say asemesi na say binu ma kire omadwen a whole inspector general of police oba bedi omaimu no mpoa say heaven and crime is here IGP biso ase bo hu heaven dana menko ho ochena no pa metete ya ma video no me drop no ochena wo boys no djuma bi o makodi a me wo what they say no victim no on camera me drop video no ochena me say wo ko Facebook YouTuber ko YouTube subscribe to me YouTube channel no Omenenta TV and then me mfa me ma wo ne empo na bedi Ghana for ka say heaven IGP heaven eye mama dia na eye papa dia heaven ena meti sesi e u bedi Ghana mpoa say heaven pe ena crime ensi ho ei dia duru nie no wonder fi say wono no wonder pe ro kese so wodidi miya wonwene hwe asemba paper ena wo san Mama Jira Koya police for Faso Yomajuma. Police station, I walk Kurobiam, Sebia district. Dear wo Nikuro Kitwemuno. ASP or district ono. Na otwibia ewosika wo twama omo muwo service stations in Kitwa no say omo mfa mra wonom. Station master no na otwibia wo sika wo twama wo. Me ba cho police station ye tontosi ana ye tomeko. Police pani wetwa ediama office no. Se na otwibia mo mfa sika mra omo disika no ba mo se yesua ye tontosi ana say ye tomeko. Nti omo ti wona asem ba ko pe ne bebe o se kwa bia so ye fa so bu efi se asem no ba ne ye nya twere ne paper mu nko ade a automatically pani no ti office no e sheda wo percentage kase bi a wo je police station bibisa se enchina na se je ne ye ton wo ho enti kwada na hu omo se omo gina kwa so omo jeje ye sika boya po na nya omo photo ne pani ti office hu na fu se balu oje adi otom oje adi o hey, Ghana dia kwa kodru ni. Oman no etete pansam. Obia pretu obi so. We no apratu we so. Me say we should stop fighting fix the country. Fix the judiciary. Yen no me go abrochi. Mo na mo hwe video ekese. Mo nka no kore bi wa. Uko US, me tell United States of America. Uko Canada. Uko Europe, uko Asia baby a. Me ba cha obi na beka kire o se, wo didi a me mfa ntofo ma na. Da bi o, emra no ye adwuma wo ho. Justice ye adwuma wo ho. Eno nti no, esanse justice ye adwuma no, wo de tofo ma obi na beba abefa. Therefore, you have to pay that person. Eno nti o se ticket ma ona wutua. By force, wo betua eno ene wo se fight for. Fix judiciary. Every necro, or minute time be some tadanta crack a craban sempum popro in Camini so. Eha, and a brebia minimum becan. Fix judiciary. We should stop that unnecessary noise. Fix the country. The judiciary system is weak. What are we going to fix? Near D Bonino, Nanaba Kefa the D Bonnet. Nanaba Kefa dear or Hineba. Me papa aka na hinema so na woko na na baka efa papa eye sabi ebi a me pese me bom papa di wa because bi kura bi beka no ne papa wa ban mu we ni pasmasi na opa na okọ na okọ akoka enu nti na baka efa de be hye ntim se bo pani se wodi bode kura mpa owo bi obetwika age no enti obekoso adi bone nsa enti Ghana me say now fix the judiciary. Moma yen shasie na yema emra no enye adwuma na justice prevail sembra no ye adwuma na sembra no di obi na eye enfavor obi a emma baba obi a na ye massage law no dia. Trust me, Ghana will work again. Until that, no hope. Ghana enye ye ne bo kro no aye de no ko ye no emra no ye de den e massage no because owo sikatua e de ye shoot na sabe wedi dem ontimi nya adwuma biem no ono mmomu osofa ei de o mai kwai entie be yie me de ana me wira ho de ni ba bia ko Ghana afa na mehu de entie obi timi nya kwan na se wo twa plane ticket ekotere Europe ana se US ana se babia na se okitankrata o se se na busuafo nyina kono efise toda eya ye nyina media dance se nye ye nuanom akwantufu a omo bie nyuma day in and day out omo mane manifia enka Ghana yasem mobo yasem mobo Ghana police enade adru se and robbers esi service point emamo hey yo my Ghana adru ni Ghana for me kabo wo se be ye video se be ya Nick Petroleum for na so masimbre bia me ho aden na me beka Ghana de ekoso edi wu ayewu e kire mo aha
former IGP you know this. What have you done? What did you do? Who predecessor woman information to be see you know these people. Hey, Nigerian top criminals who mgu Ghana. Women defrauded and bebree, including said they have used the name of the Republic of Ghana and the idea to defeat foreign companies and foreign multinational companies. In the name of Ghana, Emma Nekoyeti says, Ghana Mujiano, and Koyeti said, government of Ghana in the secure system. No. As a notorious criminals, women react, no more use to incorporate, and they solace a big no more free banks. They are here. Now, my memo with show. Ghana police or Chamu issue a statement. Tell me you don't know them if they are not on the police wanted list. One, the ringleader in the offender, Oduba Benson. Oduba Benson, police Munimno. Have you arrested him? If not, why? Oduba Benson, he's a Nigerian national, one of a notorious criminal Nigeria for crash. He finds Ghana as a safe haven and imagine at time. And Ghana police in Benin-Fro, when he's a criminal way, and he treat himself or your downfall because he pays some of the officers. Yes, I am going here. We know. The next person is the Effie Oduba. Then the third person is the innocent. But the ringleader, no, our chairman, your friend Oduba Benson. Munimno. There is a group by these same Nigerians, as our group, Lomato Mudi, Great Men Progressive Club. Ghana Police, do you know this group? Anamuni. Great Men Progressive Club. Muni Momanamuni. I know you know them. Now, do you want to tell me what Mudi Ana said? One more hacking bank account, corporate organizations, individuals, bank accounts, and at the same time, so we move breaching the data systems and normal abudo people. Now, I want to ask the current IGP Ora Opon find out this. Who built the 3rd Avenue police post? The 3rd Avenue police post. I want Greater Estate. Go and find out who built it. These criminals in the sea. Yes. Oduba Benson. 3rd Avenue police post. I want 3rd Avenue Greater Estate. Who be a Greater Estate? Go.
Was it IGP? On finding out. Kwagwanai. This is one of the best job awaye because we a concrete a bomb mine on buying. Now simesi kofa obi de e no mfa so obi ani so. IGP, current IGP now working on. Who told you he isn't aware? Well, you're very much aware. When the basic police poster IGP enim, what the catch up? Now is the same way to most sika ADS police post and Derby and easy. When the basic police poster IGP enim hoshe. When the basic police poster IGP enim hoshe. Ebenesi. How? Now when the commission here when Crawford ekoye adwuma ho Ghana police system no say a person ye dia I want both president to dissolve Ghana police. I am saying it point blank. Ghana police I was say dissolving no. Fi say security no ankasa emu ache time NDC e was no. Your police officers be ho a ye yi omo fi omo post e di omo kototo nkurase kototo baabi mo omo sofae NPP ba ye omo enjoy eti Ghana police enya Ghana for ena ye adwuma ho NPP ene NDC ena ye adwuma ho eti the criminality ya ewo NDC mu the criminality and the scam ya ewo NPP mu enoa enomo di police no dinanka ye pe oman pani bia odwen oman no ho no waka say Ghana police me dissolve no na ye recruiting new members. Forget about the age. Nipa no qualifying ko ade a ye training no na ye nya army officials bia on be training omo na ya form the newly Ghana police ya ye mfa bribe ene beko. police ni ko police no ya je ne bribe dada o ya kire ne say adwuma na wo ba beye no eye krono adwuma enti won so ye di kan bo krono de ahya ase atetew police ni no ko ekope police ya je ne bribe dada o otua bribe man san woko enti eduru ba bia na nyom photo efise Ghana police wo ko na mu eye bribe why na ntua bribe and so woko police wo dey come and name that person Ghana police me say wo ko no eye bribe One beso on sample dia kwa or officer or besha na frumu ansana wudin akolis numu and the most scam ever. The most thing a scam ever. And this police enlistment forms are omotono and the biggest scam in this country. Police enlistment form no omotono and the biggest scam in this country. Your better forms no aton. Omo anso nim omo nipa omo befa ne dada omo ankasa nim omo nipa omo befa ne dada na hiafo me suete na ye ton na nipa bebre enso asanse omo de bokro no nti no omo fa kwan bi so ama nipa na se bebre di asan nipa bi no mo afamu ajeje innocent souls sika ama manfo atua 30 million me 3,000 cedis 4,000 cedis 5,000 8,000 10,000 and so back on now dealing of Freddy Panel will do the phone. I feel now Ghana police may say Ghana, we should fix the judiciary. Justice is for sale in Ghana. Oh, justice is for sale. That is what we should fight for. And what's here? The moment we fight it said justice and yeduma. Na se wo wa anya justice eno na kire se de wo ka no wonim de wo ka but wo ka say you fix just the country na se duru baabi na emre di hu na akofa akire kotua bribe bisa ho say how can the country be fixed emedan na ya fix country no abusiafo bi bisa wo enti ade a wo se Ghana for ye preferred fix the judiciary system no enkoye. Justice is for sale in Ghana. And no na wase yama ye libre. And no na wase brebia ye fighting. And no na wase ye kam wasem. Mon share video no me se Ghana for. Say baby a obia eto ni fuel. Eye Nick Petroleum. Obi tapo Nick Petroleum mame. Nick Petroleum. Ewo amasaman. Koto baby. Afe wonu mo odoko. Wonu mo baby to say koto baby won mo nyanya no ni adade junction na sate ne na boboa no menhia Nick Petroleum ho sanso na kode abuo ho filling station baako ho e na afei kwada so Nick Petroleum ho enti se wutwa baby na nya hu se Nick Petroleum ni agina na koto fuel papa obu fuel no quality unim se me de me mfa me ho nhye bibi mu keke. Oh, thank you very much. Fuel to say to nyamishira se wakutu ampa for bracket papa bi nyamishira Nick Petroleum. I'm going to summer same baby. I'm going to ding. Yeah, me say this time, tell everybody, say never care for campaign. What shall say? Fix the judiciary. Ghana justice is for sale. And on the was here about the rule. When there is a just, the system will automatically work. And when there was a can was oh my Ghana say IGP. A whole Inspector General of Police. Hwempodie pa ewo wenum. Empodie pa ewo wenum. Say Ghana enye heaven. Inye heaven ye wo. The whole American pono boni esi wo Ghana enye heaven. Ye be heaven akwa enka yewu koka we kire nsamanfo ye ti asasefo asase so. Eti ha ene wo say enjoy enye heaven na esi ye pa akọ. Abusuafo na number kefa ne bidin ochina police harassment bi e course me drop wo Omenenta TV mo switch it to YouTube sesia search Omenenta TV subscribe to my YouTube channel no o subscribe ya minyo notification no ehu so aba beka ebusua no ho subscribe to my YouTube channel Omenenta TV me drop video a share me ka video no me be editing na dwi me drop video no nyambo a ochina. But first, who they are, okay, check update. Video crab be Omenenta TV be ni Facebook. So what I say, me ka video no go Me say next time, no more fix the country. face the judiciary. Ghana police, me na naba kefa, me call say yen dissolve Ghana police straight. I didn't think American say. Again, that Ghana police team no, and ya de bo ubi ho ban. When you know you the Ghana says, Obi and a bon home, ye and number mine mu. And Brabe so mu. Bra be a wedding bonina Chani, who said, dear Bonnie, where near Bahu media, Kranabakakra. If it's a media, mean to be a media, no cover pay, or when we saw more grown media and go many massy. No more for Quebec so. Now, still, people are suffering because of bribe. Bribe genty, a man for a sofa. A man for a sofa. Wow, Evans, Nanamankwa, I've been buying Nick Petroleum. Nick Petroleum. Yamisha Nick Petroleum Company Limited. One more boy Juma. Ghana had here, Yaka Petroleum Company. One kita quality product. Pa, is because the fuel be a quality. Hey, trust me. Not all fuel on Nick Petroleum man. Or drive is smooth and long. Yeah. Your motor is smooth, long drive. Se car no diesel and I say petrol gumno papa. Diesel and I say when the gumno papa. Brebiano ubo se car no nama smooth because engine enya di ope. Enya petroleum company bi okofa eniema ba na ya fra fumunu bi o dabi. Product near quality into commercial driver for no. Oma boy abaso makwada so branch ya sheda ma omu promotion every Friday. Otina kwada so mu amu Kumasi Nick Petroleum for promotion. Monkwanko gibi. Nick Petroleum. Omu ene mau quality product. Nti say fuel nko ade Ghana for moma yento wo Nick Petroleum. E de na ekoso wo man Ghana yi. Ebusuafo.
And me say when they see it, these criminals they see it, and it begs the question: I give them due diligence, and the Ghana police on these criminals. Do you know? And when you are criminals, and you allow them to build the police post, Greater Estate, 3rd Avenue, police post this year. Why they see it? You see them and they are notorious criminals. Ghana has here every day. About hundreds of Nigerians will be recruited. No more will be roaming one. You won't be pretty hardcore criminal operations. We are no massacre. And most of them, one more time you see ostensibly 3 tribes and no operations. I don't want to mention the names of the tribes because they find them very easy to convince. And Bonnie and Ghana. Now Nigerians, more your neighbors, but the rate at which a bill more back Ghana, more the Ghana I am save heaven now, more the Boneno, I think it's alarming. Papa Americans look me when Bonio Mudi or Ghana, I am scared. It is just scared. Sa estate, woman are constructed. Woman constructed in the Greater Estate, one almost like a pop on heavy power. Tashi, Nungwa, police, more away. You know all these guys, and there are top police officers who know these guys. I want to keep your names for now. Now, this same group have operated ostensibly with a lot of hospitals in Ghana. Now, when they operated with these hospitals, aborted babies, the fetus, and almost normally good ice chest. Frigates, normally called Nigeria, these criminals, they have operated with hospitals, secret hospitals in this country. When they aborted babies, when they call the rituals, I don't know. We have a lot of intelligence. You put a lot of intelligence, which I know Ghana police money, but you decided to keep a blank eye on this, and innocent Ghanaians are suffering. Police in Benin-Fort, what did they headquarters were? Some Kofui, every Chamuka, Busum Dia. Now, Ade, now what is some way here? Or Chibebril, one for better. The rate at which crime is swallowing all of us. Ghana police, Senininya, the commander-in-chief of the security services, President Akufo-Addo, let the police go to bed. Let them go to bed. Let the military step in. We need the firepower of the army. You know Ghana speaks so we shall from Munya. Now, the other thing I say, sir, crime here, Mr. President. So why really your money be good with administration in the
Oh, the video is has gotten to an end, and I don't want him to just repeat it because may say President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Adu Premai wode Bawumia Bawumia Krachini Dollar Police mon sorry na moda ya ache mame kire mo COVID no na beje Nana Addo titu aso na nkoye ba na Ghana ye ni da so ba bia, so we have to give him the chance. So what I say, crime not does wo man mu yewu de yewu de yeye Nana Addo woda ya ache mon sorry na mo me nyai se Nana Addo aban no because say wode Nana se wo ye Nana no ntie o Ghana for ye kana sama yesuro be say mo me hwe John Mahama tan demonstrations ahodo a ye ti John Mahama na niam bi nkoye nti mo hwe ekomani bre ne ni bre de tudi etuti John Mahama ani bre de se de esi ani si bre John Mahama so no results no na ye hu enkoye Ghana police boni we nyina ekoso Nigeria fo ase omoman e na ye tena ho aye nhwe han ama omo disika na ebisi Ghana fo pa di du bre bia na yaseme mobo di ama ye bre no ma me ka se ba ko nkire se uye obi a wo sika bebre ya uye obi a wo sika bebre ya the rate aya mo pesika no minim de ya na sika no mo de ye de ti a me ka sa ne se minimo sika ni bia ni sika a wo no wo ye adwuma na adwuma bia ye open business wo che sika ne saa bo amanfo saa ofifa amanfo ofa amanfo adwuma mu saa ofa amanfo adwuma mu saa obi e wo hawo ma eye ne hawo kese nanso mo am support saa criminals no musika mo obia musika mo because boninti musika eco club houses musika eye niema etuatua bribe no obi bia wo je bribe udins no wonti bi fam no boa oman openly efise na adwuma wo ye no obi ani tua se the salary so nti okoje bribe no mo obi nkwa kotonso ne yeso ono mfa megino so de kwa koto sebi efia ma moburuni edem onfa kosi school dem ma obi nye onfa koyi akwan ma obi enya so nye de emfa Ghana president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo wone wasefo nyina da mesere mo da ya che se ebi Akufo all system no nti no mo ye adwuma no modwen no mo bra eye mo nsore e di asem ni di akoso o man Ghana mu no tan enkoye okokan no obi ba be tagi o de wawura ba bi enkoye Nana Addo se niam aginsemu keka ho obeye silence bet say na ebekasa krenana na afiaso ye huru he enkoye security no enye oman no yewu officers na ofo mo police fo no adwuma no omo nye omo tete ho they are just idle and never be a police eco post eye lucky eye be a bank lucky be a bank regional minister eco baby hwehwehwe no omo di omachi obi yesikani obaye nti onko eno de tem obakọ fi se okwa obenye sika anopa ayemfoku ni akogade omo na maimuna sabe ye business aye koba no akronfo elutu ya medo akronfo agikuro ya boso ade yetimi wi akọ police station bi na ko wi police fo nyina ka ho. What are you saying? Ede bi na woka eko wia police for anka se wia police for eko wia police for nyina ka ho. Ede ebiem na woka ede ebiem na woka ede na ekoso o man Ghana mu ede pa na say ekoso o man Ghana mu enti ya massage this president Nana Addo ukoka Nana Addo asema ese Nana Addo ye baby last bi Nana Addo me se wo no ban no mo nsori no mo da check COVID no na agi wuti amoso nka be hu demonstrations upon demonstrations no mo de COVID ayeke obi ekwe demonstration no mo season no mo hwe de ye John Mahama officer John Mahama ban na ya nke obe lose that mass that was 2016 na nkoye Nana Addo ba ye no trust me o ye de wo pe o ye de ye wo fe di o man no kono enkoye na mentimi metena me man mu Ghana sabe ye ni hwekura no ye di ehia wese kuro bia sesei ego Ghana ha no kuro bia ni population edu just 10,000 bia no suffer in the hands of robbery ekopim the local rural areas villages are omo nduru 1,000 pono villages omo nduru 1,000 pono omo attack omo in the village aden okoka IGP aba be ka kire wo say heaven na crime ni yeso ye ni heaven IGP police pani a wudi mpoa police pani a wonum kasa anyede aden ti no so kasa asem no aden ti no so kasa asem no de akono enye ano aden oman no say ejija etete pansam omienka ne enya say ya no mum ti wa no mum ti no at the end of the day no ye ni ba bia ko nti ne ni abre no. And the most dangerous part any oman your security system weak. Okay, so oman bi be say atememufo no na be say na foreigners and they take advantage no ma say oman no. Nti wo to one wa put Ghana at heart first. Now we gain greedy and selfish politicians we ho. And now kokroma politics nti kuro bia wo problem. Fi say ade bia NDC ni be ye no. Oye na a favor wo no. Nti wo hu se we benya ni monyam mpani enka ade bia NPP beye no oya amana favor ono nko a eti wo hu se we ekuro no ebebu ekuro no kura na se opposition party ye NDC ni benya ni monyam man ni enka na omaja amanaka aburo ne beye na mo de politics edi oman yi to the level of say matimi aya ma say ye security system no nyina ye politics Ghana Ghana Armed Forces. We the problem of what Ghana Armed Forces are Ghana Armed Forces asem because of politics. Wo bia na kukuru ni man high rank na senior officer te wa wono na nka also deserve position o se de ma no because of politics. Ni kukuru akraketo bi na de na kwa akohye na wono ogi pe akese na pani na wasom wa ye adwuma wo se was qualify se nko wa ha no na wono osom akoda no wo fi say possible. Adia ema sabe ukọ baby to say nursing institution a mental health institution ono discipline and respect even when the person is young na say we deserve that position now you give that person a maximum respect. Senior officer to obey adwuma bra because of politics ye ma so pa near the post na koma akra ketewa bi na obi a wasoma nka on deserve no na wasan be sha akra na nka o man no na se Ghana wonim dia politicians e de ye security system na ka wontena meye NDC ni MPP sem waza me pom asem dia me pom asem otiemiye I don't like them because scammer am robber mu nyina o madwuma ba ko e na me yama name yo me say MPP for ye scammers me na me ka NDC for e am robbers. I don't like them. Into anything I do something, I do it for my country Ghana and nothing else. The military now more can no, you have no idea. What work military? You think that the military is safe because of politics. And some shaman for bo. Nyamin say obi bia say o hwe na ba kifa. Okuma dusia bani. And some shaman for bo the you have no idea. Police now my corrupt na ye kan ho asem the same thing na ekoso police mu unnecessary transfers political transfers unnecessary transfers political transfers if I saw many also unnecessary transfers mo say o man no NDC ni MPP mo say o man no NDC abese no bia na nado aduru so mo say o man no nado wono ba obi mo say o man no mo mienka no kore nkire o mo de ekoso no security ye mfa di agro ye mfa security ni agro e wo se ye ma ye ni bere na ye ku e ma ye man Ghana enya ba bisi eno ne ade a ebeboa ye abusuafo ma me mfa wusia na me na wase Connect Petroleum okoto fuel Ghana Liver Foundation da Roma na ba ke family deliver o 7 capsules no bi aba nti obi bia wo pa bi atono wo Ghana ha brochi o memeli bi di edi bia ma wo ye be ma wa ye mere wo pe bo ba bu nse mayi wo yare wo atimi se to da wo mu waposo wo mu de wo ye wo ho wo bre na wo di akonya ba tse na ba ke fa bi di akonya ba bi di a wo hia bibiduro kan a ebema wo sisi mo aposo be ye den ama wo ho aye den na sabe wo leisure time bi wo ko yire ho na ni age sabe wo leisure time bi kunu ba ho a wo so wani age ni nyina na naba kefa mebo na mum liver 07 capsules so ebia badwa so bibire nipa bi ya wodidi na wono nsuo no obrebo no ehia ho den na enuane a yedi nyina no chemical wom even the chemical drugs na koto enom no eno so chemical wom habrebo no enti sa wo ye obi a wonom liver 07 capsules a chemical free drinks nsuo any chemical drug na wonom no suppress no neutralize no kra ma brebia no brebo no function well enti moja no munya yade liver 07 kwa di say adwuma no and I say immune system booster enti wo to abo say immune system booster and liver support joint encapsulation here wo India omo manufacture ma Ghana Liver Foundation pet the whole Ghana na naba ke fa me supplier enti ba bia wo bia o WhatsApp me na naba ke fa 0200 5826665 0200 5826665 o message me a mema wo nsa aka liver 07 capsules no bi me se bema mentena ase emma se be wani mu ngu ase o bema de ma me nkire wo betimi aye busy because me obi am quite busy what I say but the little time amenya ma oba no hu say yeah bema ba ne nchen eno na hia eba ne say what to kwan kra na nipa no oda so dwen omo ade hia pa fa ndi agro because e kan brabo no ho e kan dije nu so manya ho temetim media he ma say wo bewu kwa unye wo time a unya ndofu bi amonje mani na ni je hu say yes ana brabo na tie na mum job time don't fuck around aduma hia enu ti maduro no ne bo okra anya nkura duru akura bi entimi frem so opebi nti eye aduru a at least nipa no wo 18 years and above for ye aduma yeah ono ne to na baka ifa duru sa na ti abusuafo meda wase YouTube mo hwe mi nyina metwem wo YouTube bo Omenenta TV o channel pa me drop video no ho ama won saka bi mo subscribe to my YouTube channel no se dia yankonko a o se wo se na se bita ba life yankonko a ye bebie janko a ye bie janko a na e ho anso na me the interviews no afem na me de ba ko bia mo interviews na me de afem na me de ba ko bia mo me de wo interview heavy one bia me de beto manim but me nkan se na no me ni at the self ehia enche me kwa ko hu shatawale esem na nkasa me de ba betena me platform so na me interview no so I just ye interview na ye bisa question na emu odu ye cut down to emotion level na nipa no so yi na kuma makasa enye se by force na waka se ma hye nipa na no na wa yire na akoye news dabi menye interviews a me be kire mo the professionalism in journalism ankasa eno na ba ke family ba ena documentaries ahodo a ye betimi akowura mkriase ne ahodo akotwitwa ba so trust me de bebre na ba because the resource is there we can produce what I say tie gusu ayeye. Let me put this on board. Maybe if somebody is looking for a job or something like that. Officially, Nanaba Keifa me pe editor. Officially, Nanaba Keifa me pe obi or a video editor. Ubit me a handle camera as well because editor be likely ubit me a handle camera. We will be we interested. One make a chat here. Ebeshe ne ye hukwan ebe faso. Officially, nemum eduma no eni o comfort zone. Eye eduma ye be faw. Niama obabi a wo betena na adwuma no bere bia you be busy for the work. If you are ready for that, then you can WhatsApp me. Number is 0200 58265. Meda asime bre nyame hyirawo da foforo e besan ehia.